morning, good afternoon, good evening, my friends all over the world. And today I would like to continue to show you the Shaolin Dual Fighting Fists. So you have already learned this movement. It's quite easy. And now I will show you the new movement. I will step forward with my with my left foot, and I will draw a big circle with my left hand upward. I will bend my right hand here in front of my chest. I will cross two hands here, and then I will continue move like this. I will stay my left hand here. I will continue to draw a big circle with my right hand, just like this. So this is the next movement that I want to show you. The purpose of the form training is just to practice our ability of reaction. So we need to practice many so that if in front of the real critical situation, we will keep calm and we will have many confidence. Okay, and the skills we can obtain step by step. Okay, I will show you again slowly the form. So this is my partner's movement. My movement I will show you later. So step backward one, step backward again, step forward with the left foot, draw arc, two hands cross here, right hand inside, left hand outside, and this way. Okay. So now I will from other side. I will show you. Okay. Again. Okay, Annie, come here, please. So I think we do not need to practice all the moves singly, so we directly fight. So you stay your foot here. And we will start from the beginning. Okay, now, okay. So we stopped here. So Annie will step forward with back leg. Step, just a step forward with back leg. I don't know that is left leg. Yes, step forward, step here. And bend the elbow like this. And draw a big circle. Hit my wrist. So, and then both hands, and then. Okay, now it's good. Good. You just use this hand to hit my head. Yes. So now you step backwards like this, and we will start again from beginning, and we stop there. Step backward, hit my head. Okay, I will hold your wrist and you will step forward and hit my wrist again, and just use this hand to hit my head. Yes. Okay. So the previous I forget. So now you will step backward. You will step forward. And okay. So maybe we practice again. Okay. Suppose I like this, and then you will step this leg backward. Hit me. And then this is the new movement. Just move. So you will step forward and then hit my wrist and then okay. So I will no, my movement is not important. So I will step backward now. Then next, what she will do, I will show you next time. Okay. So we will just practice the new movement. Okay. Step forward. Yes. Yes. Okay. 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 Step backward. Step forward. Step forward. Step forward. Yes. Oh! Okay. You this way.
这样。
So backward. Forward. The step. The movement.
先 step。
先 step。step 不能拉不过去，你使不上劲。 那个时候的去保护是头像，这样，
这样。
Step forward. Okay, so I will practice singly this movement, and next time I show you the next movement. So now I will practice all the movements. Okay.
换一个。
Okay.
那个，
看得清楚。
你转过去到背对。
So at home, practice well. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.